Today I cooked the zucchini flowers with orecchiette. Good afternoon, everyone. Buon pomeriggio. This afternoon I'm gonna cook zucchini flowers in sauce, and we're gonna with pasta. And first thing I gotta do, it's called salsa finta. So in the pan I'm gonna nothing, just sauce. This sauce I have made sauce that I made last year. Peeled tomato. This is the raw tomato we buy for the sauce. Every year we do, but we peel them and put them in the jars. A little bit more. What I'm gonna do now in frypan, I'm gonna put just a bit of garlic in. This is the actual zucchini, small zucchini. So I chopped them up real small cubes. So I'll throw them in. So I don't want to overcook them too much because they got to finish cooking the sauce. The sauce it's nearly cooked. We're going to put some fresh basil in, plenty garlic, and I'm going to put some extra virgin oil and plenty oil. That's the trick about this recipe. This is called the salsa finta. Finta means in Italian no real sauce. Lots of flavor, basil and garlic, and quick. I just let it cook probably another five minutes, and then I will throw the zucchini in and the zucchini flowers. All I gotta do now is just put a bit of salt, and it's the time to put the sauce in. It looks beautiful. Probably not 10, even 5 minutes or so. The zucchini will be cooked, and that's it. And then we cook a pasta. And then we'll have it for dinner. The water boiled. Tonight I'm gonna cook the orecchiette. Some salt. I'm gonna cook more than halfway, and then I'm gonna finish cooking into the actual sauce with the zucchini. The idea to give extra flavor. The orecchiette they cooked more than halfway, so I just throw them in. I just put them in the sauce. Which they're finished cooking, they get the flavor, and they're ready to eat. This water is the water that I drank the pasta, so I need a bit more juice, and now you can use this one. Like that, eh? It looks amazing, but gotta try it as if it's any good. I put a bit of cheese on, Romano cheese. You know me, I love my chili on. Buon appetito, I'll try it. It's so delicious. If you haven't done this recipe, you haven't got, it's so nice, beautiful. If you haven't got zucchini flowers, you can actually do with the zucchini. Like you cut them up really small, you see in the video, and it still will taste really nice. This is amazing. Thank you. Buon appetito. With this sort of food, you need a glass of wine. Salute.